yes, Roy.
She's like, why they leaving? She's like, why they leave?
Ayan, pupunta kami ng psychiatrist, guys.
Yeah, so it's like, why they leave? Also, did you forget to close your window?
Bye, yes, Roy.
Oh my god.
I mean, hopefully it's me unless I have someone to find out. Getting her. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Let's see if we can guess the YouTuber by their baby picture. Oh, that's me. I haven't seen baby.
What? What?
Di?
So, Alexander should be confusing.
Ariana.
I'll just sleep.
Nay, Ariana.
Oh,
20 hours.
I'll just
At
sleep.
saka si Alex. Alex, you can put it back your
Sit.
seat.
Sleeping.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go sleep. I'm just gonna sleep.
Not even that one. The other.
You can.
The freeway of Germany, but it's more far.
Yan si Alex. Where are you going, Alex?
We're going to doctor for some reason.
Therapy.
We're going to the doctor where it's in Manila, and we have to drive there all the way there.
3 hours.
It's 3 hours.
It's like we're going in It's like we're in America.
America.
Oh wait, I forgot. It's bad.
And see,
I'm not looking.
to Ariana also.
No, no. Not looking at the
Hello.
camera.
Hello. Ito, Masim. Ale, Ariana.
They can see through the reflection if they see closely.
Oh, I just noticed this.
Maarte siya. Ay, maarte. Maarte si Ariana. You know how it
100
means
speed.
maarte, Ariana?
Get ready with me. Need to go to therapy. Yes.
Good.
Get ready with me to get murdered by aliens.
See, it looks like Europe here. Why does it look like Europe here?
Yeah, it kind of looks like Europe.
It's a
It's
city.
from the same. And also
yeah.
not the
America and Philippines at the same time.
combined actually.
Yeah. Actually, I feel like we're in America, Europe, and
America is in Europe.
Philippines at the same time.
America is in Europe.
Are you dumb, Mariana? America is in USA,
Huh?
United States.
Oh my god, are you geographically challenged?
Mariana, Europe is in the center of the world.
Yeah.
America is all the way at the left. And
You mean west or south?
Asia, including Philippines, are in
The
the
south.
right.
The south.
Same thing. Oh, look, Mexico.
Why
We're
did
going to
you,
Mexico.
why did you say we're in Mexico? That's offensive, 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 offensive.
Chaco, taco.
That's offensive, Alex. That's offensive. I can beat up my own brother even though I'm young. I threatened his friend and he got scared of me. He somehow feared me. He's literally older than me.
Oh, we're in the city already.
Yeah,
Oh wait, no, that's just a building.
yeah.
That's still building.
Builder's outlet. Builder, man.
Wait, why are buildings still are buildings if they're already built? Also, what is this?
Tile hub. Tile hub. po.
Ching, chong, ching.
Philippine Sports Stadium. Philippine Arena, guys.
Wala makadaan dito. Yung mga sasakyan dito sa ilalim.
Dito kuya?
Itong area na to, hanggang dyan sa may overpass na yan.
I strangle my plushies.
Marami lumubog dyan na kotse nun.
I strangle my plushies.
Ay, yung mga nakikita noon na ano.
Kapilaan, walang makadaan dyan kahit truck.
Various Plaza, Alex, Arian.
I'm strangling it. I think it's suffering already. Enough suffering. Now I'm gonna strangle its legs.
Dalawang araw yata na stranded mga sasakyan yan.
Maraming nawalan.
Oo, marami hindi na kabiyahe dyan.
Bakit mababa dito yung kuya?
Mababa dyan. Yung biglaan yung tubig kasi na walang hintong nun.
Hindi na nila magawan paraan dyan na
Araw yata na ulan.
wala na talagang magawa ng paraan, no? Kasi
Meron naman nagawa silang ano dyan. Kaya lang matagal bago ikot yung tubig. Hindi na tayo mag-EDSA, matraffic din sa EDSA eh.
ewan ko